Hello everybody, I welcome you in Receipt tutorial. Today we are going to study phonetics. Let me tell you first what is phonetics. Phonetics is study of English sounds. It is a branch of linguistics that examines sounds. It describes phonetic symbols. As we know, English sound can be broadly categorized into two parts. These are vowels and consonants. What are vowels? What are consonants? When there is no fraction in production of a sound, then these sounds are vowels. So there is no fraction means no narrowing, no closure of air passages, and that would cause audible fraction is a vowel sound. Rest all sounds are consonants. In English sounds, there are 20 vowels and 24 consonants. 20 vowels can be classified into two broad categories. These are monophthongs and diphthongs. Monophthongs are called pure vowels and diphthongs are called vowel glides. Monophthongs are 12 in number and diphthongs are 8 in number. In this way, consonants also can be classified in two broad categories on the basis of manner of articulation and place of articulation. On the basis of manner of articulation, the consonants are plosives, affricate, fricative, nasal, lateral and approximate. And on the basis of manner of articulation, place of articulation, it is bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, postalveolar, palatoalveolar, palatal, velar and glottal. All these simple introduction of phonetics. Why phonetics is needed to study, or what is the need of study of phonetics? Phonetics teaches us how to speak a sound, how to transcribe a sound, and how to learn a correct pronunciation and correct transcription of a particular sound or word. By the study of phonetics and each and every sound, this will make you enable to know correct pronunciation and to utter correct word. So, in our next video, we will start each and every sound, the detail of each and every sound, so we can learn correct, true and real pronunciation. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.